In this video, we will discuss antidepressants. So, antidepressants are used for depression, as we all know. In depression, from the studies, it has been believed that there is a decreased amount of serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain, and because of this imbalance of the neurotransmitters in the brain, the symptoms of depression occurs. So now to treat the depression, we need to increase the amount of the serotonin in the norepinephrine in the brain. So for that, we have various drugs. That is, we have serotonin, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. We have tricyclic antidepressant. We have SNRIs, that is, serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. Then we have MAO inhibitors, that is monoamine oxidase inhibitors. Then we have metazepine. So these are the various drugs, but first line drug is SSRI because these are very much effective drugs. So let's discuss the drugs one by one and what is the mechanism of these drugs. Okay, with the help of this diagram which I have drawn here, this is the norepinephrine synapse and this is serotonin synapse. So this is the presynaptic neuron and this is a postsynaptic neuron. You can see that when norepinephrine is formed in the neurons, it will enter this vesicle, and when the stimulation arises, okay, this vesicle will release this norepinephrine and it will act on this norepinephrine receptor on the postsynaptic membrane. Now there is also a receptor which causes uptake of the norepinephrine into the neurons, and there is an enzyme which is known as monoamine oxidase which will cause destruction of this norepinephrine. So this is the normal cycle that occurs in the brain. That is, it causes release and extra amount is being uptake and being destroyed. The cycle goes on. Same here with serotonin. When serotonin is formed, it will be released in the synapses. It will act on this serotonin receptor, right? And some of the serotonin will be uptake and will be destroyed by monoamine oxidase enzyme. So our aim is to increase the neurotransmitters at the synaptic junction. So you can imagine how we can do is by one thing we can do is we can cause increased production, increased release of the neurotransmitters. Okay, so one thing is increasing the release. Second thing we can do is we can decrease the uptake here, right? So we can decrease the uptake. Second thing we can do is we can decrease the destruction. So decrease the destruction. So for this we have various drugs. Okay, first we will talk about SSRIs. What this SSRI will do is it will inhibit this step. Okay, it will inhibit this step. That is, it will inhibit the reuptake of serotonin into the neurons. So in this way we have more serotonin in the synapse. Okay, so this is the first drug. Then we have TCA, tricyclic antidepressants. So tricyclic antidepressant, what they do is it will act on this uptake receptor which is present on the serotonin neuron. So it will inhibit serotonin uptake, as well as it will also prevent the uptake of norepinephrine by inhibiting the uptake receptor on the norepinephrine neurons. So in this way we will have increased amount of both norepinephrine and serotonin. So here only serotonin will be released. Here we have both serotonin and norepinephrine. Then we have SNRI. This SNRI again will act like TCA. Okay, that is, it will inhibit the uptake of serotonin as well as uptake of norepinephrine by inhibiting this receptor, that is uptake receptor. So again we will have increased amount of serotonin and norepinephrine. Then MAO inhibitors. MAO inhibitors again will inhibit both of the neurons enzyme, because MAO inhibitor is one, right? So wherever it will be present, it will be inhibited. So again we will have serotonin and norepinephrine. Then we have metazepine. What metazepine do is there is a alpha 2 receptor which inhibits this step. Okay, it inhibits this step, that is, it inhibits the release of neurotransmitter from the vesicles. So by inhibiting this receptor with the help of mirtazapine, we will increase the release of the neurotransmitters from the neurons into the synaptic junction. So mirtazapine acts here, so it will cause increased amount of norepinephrine, so norepinephrine will be raised. Then we have another drug that will cause increased release of neurotransmitters, that is, we have bupropion. What this bupropion do is, they will act on this step. Okay, they will increase the release of the vesicle contents. So in this way, norepinephrine as well as serotonin amount will be increased. Okay, so these are the drugs and these are the mechanism with which they act. I hope this explanation made it very easy for you to understand the mechanism of this drug. Many a times it is difficult to understand these antidepressant drugs, but I have tried my best to make it easy, and with this only one picture you can remember the mechanism of all the drugs. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. So please like and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.